Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering up and preparing your Apple ID info. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once done, swipe up to see language and region options. Connect to Wi-Fi so activation completes faster, and sign in with your Apple ID to restore or create your iCloud backup. Make sure to plug into power if battery is low. Finally, follow on-screen prompts to set a passcode and start Face ID enrollment in a well-lit area for accurate scanning. You now configure the phone's core features to match daily use. Start Face ID setup by positioning your face within the frame and slowly moving your head. This improves recognition accuracy. Next, add cards to Apple Pay and set a secure passcode for privacy. Customize Control Center and notification styles so important alerts appear at a glance. Install or restore apps from your App Store account and update iOS in settings if prompted to get security fixes and smoother performance. Finish by syncing your data and verifying functionality across services. Go to settings to confirm contacts, photos, and iCloud Drive are enabled and that important apps have permission to use location or background refresh. Test calls, camera, and FaceTime. Make a quick backup to iCloud or Finder so you have a restore point. If something goes wrong, like activation or Face ID failing, restart the phone first, ensure Wi-Fi is stable. Then try signing out and back into your Apple ID. Contact Apple support only if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.